Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on your Samsung Galaxy A14. So first, what you guys want to do is toggle Bluetooth off and on in the settings. So let's go over to the settings. Now in the settings, we're gonna go to connections and go to Bluetooth. Here we're gonna turn it off and turn it on. Now as you guys can see, here we have some available devices, and what you want to do is we want to connect our device. So we want to make sure that it shows up right here. Of course, these are my AirPods. Let's click pair and they're connected. So if your device is like that, then what you guys want to do is go to the gear icon right here, click on pair and click on pair. Now it's disappeared, and what you guys want to do now is repair the device. So we're gonna do the same thing while pairing it, and let me quickly turn off do not disturb and see if that helps with the sound. So let's click scan, and it didn't, but still we are connected. And as you guys can see, if it's not working for you, then what you guys want to do is restart the phone and a Bluetooth device. So let's go over, press the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Now we're gonna press restart and tap again to restart. So for example, you cannot restart AirPods, you can only reset them. But if you close the case, then they will turn off, and if you open up the case, then they will turn on. So this is a quick restart for, let's say, AirPods. After the restart, what we want to do is go over and, as a last resort, update our software to fix any connectivity glitches. So wait for the phone to start, and then what we're going to do is we're going to go over into the settings. Here, let's open up the settings, and next we're gonna scroll all the way down until we see software updates. So this is the fourth option from the bottom. Now click the download and install at the top, and it's checking for updates now. All you need is Wi-Fi for it, and my software is up to date. But if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version of this software. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.